Soogie. Soogie is a 2-year-old spayed Brussels Griffon mix. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family could no longer care for her. She is housebroken, good with dogs, and good with kids. She's a lovable little lap dog who's very social and enjoys meeting new people. If you want to meet Soogie, come down to the Humane Society. This is Baloo. Baloo is a 4-year-old neutered Chihuahua Dachshund mix. Baloo is a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about his history. He enjoys being around dogs his own size, and he's been great with the staff here. If you want to meet Baloo, come down to the Humane Society. This is Minnie. Minnie is a 2-year-old spayed Chihuahua. Minnie is a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about her history. She's good with dogs her own size and would do best in a home that is kid-free. If you want to meet Minnie, come down to the Humane Society.